Why is this thing so cute? Because it has pockets. Seems a little tall for pencils and pens. I think you want to keep in mind how wide it is versus what you want to put in it. Something shorter and less wide in diameter is probably going to work better. Also, whatever you use, you want a sturdy bottom because your instruments are going to be poking the bottom all the time. Now, what part of the jean do you want to see? I like to use the little pocket. I like the little pockets because then I can put things on the outside pocket. I'm going to take the zipper out of play and just use the pocket. I want enough material to come on top of the lip a little bit and enough material to fold under on the bottom. This is the 8011, and anytime I work with denim, it's a pretty heavy, thick fabric. You want a tough needle, a thicker needle. A fine needle might break when you're working with this heavy denim. Looks good, put together. Let's see how it fits. I think that's going to work. Just trim off the excess and tack the bottom shut. Four flaps. So I have 4 flaps on the bottom, and I'm going to flap these in and then just hand sew it shut.